Hello, good evening, ladies and gentlemen. Welcome to yet another episode of an interesting program, OKEx Talks. OKEx Talks is a program that is being brought to you by OKEx Cryptocurrency Exchange. It's about educating people about blockchain and cryptocurrency and how they can leverage it to make impact and also to create wealth. So today is another amazing session. So we are going to be talking about blockchain development as a career. I know a lot of people are into development of other sectors, but let's look at programming and all the rest of them around the blockchain ecosystem. So before I do that, let me do some introductions here. I am Lee Uchomo, the anchor for this program. So let me welcome as well our host who joined us. I don't know if he's available. I want to welcome our host, Mr. Paul Ezaflukwe, who is OKEx team lead, Nigeria. So I don't know if he's with us, but for now, let me welcome our guest for today. We have an amazing guest, someone who have looked towards this direction when it comes to blockchain development. Ladies and gentlemen, welcome Emmanuel Joseph, known as Jet. He's the Eternity Ekiti lead and also a blockchain developer. Emmanuel, you're welcome to OKEx Talks.
Thank you very much, Mr. Lee. And it's a pleasure being with everyone in this talk show.
You're welcome. So this program, to know about what is happening about OKEx Exchange, you can follow their African social media just on Twitter. Check out OKEx Africa, also on Telegram at OKEx Africa. So we'll go for a short break. When we return, we'll dive into the show proper. You know how we do it. We have a session for our audience to ask questions and all the rest of them. And also remember, today's guest, after some interaction and questions, he also has a very short presentation to sum up the whole discussion. And it's going to be an amazing one. We'll be right back.
Stuju Kaka. I'm the founder of InCrypto. I'm a cryptocurrency trader, blockchain consultant, and I'm one of the OKEx partners in Nigeria. I've been using OKEx since 2018. My experience of using OKEx has been fantastic. The platform is safe and secure for traders. The user interface is really clean. There were so many challenges that I was having with other exchanges that are not found in OKEx. OKEx is one of those platforms where you can trade with peace of mind. Take, for example, the trading volume. OKEx trading volume is really legit. Their listing criteria must be really good because you won't find those shit coins, that are just out there to scam you. I would recommend OKEx to other people because of the security of the exchange. OKEx is one of those exchanges that has never been hacked.
Welcome back to the show. It's still OKEx Talks. So we are just kickstarting the show for today. We are talking about blockchain development as a career. So people are asking questions as a developer. How do I get into this sector? What are some of the things I need to know? If I'm already a developer, do I need to start getting other language or other education to get involved and become a blockchain developer? These are many more you're going to be understanding at the course of this. So ride on this show. So let me hear from you, Emmanuel. Let's hear from you as a developer. How would you say, or how would you define blockchain?
Okay, so I would say blockchain is a trust protocol that a privacy aspect that makes the blockchain much more secured because it's transparent, it's reliable, and yes, privacy.
That's a nice definition, a very concise definition of blockchain. You've heard it from a developer. So let me look at, aside cryptocurrency, blockchain technology surge into space and other sector, what are the numerous sectors that blockchain technology can be applied and also seem a career is possible in those areas?
Yeah, so other sectors blockchain can is uh, education, in the aspect of fintech, and cool in the aspect of record keeping, and there's basically no sector that's being implemented into.
Let me, somebody may be watching this show, and the person may not, let's start from people who are novice, who don't really know anything about programming, and someone is so much interested in getting involved and becoming a blockchain developer. What are some of the steps? And you also share with us some of the ways you got interested in the blockchain development.
Okay, so I actually have some things for newbies later on when I'm talking about my talking about some things better. But for the meantime, I can just give an overview about my journey, my story as a blockchain developer. So I started early 2019, where I attended this event, this webinar, and I learned about blockchain. I was given these resources that I needed to have some fundamental skills as a developer, which was just HTML, CSS, and JavaScript. And because I had that skills and the resources I was given, I was able to understand what smart contract is. I could write a smart contract that was interacting with the blockchain, and it was making things much more secured. I was saving stuff on the blockchain, which privacy was intact and stuff. So from there, I learned about, I started learning about blockchain, and I kept growing from then till now. So as a newbie, if you are coming into blockchain, just have that fundamental programming knowledge, and trust me, blockchain is an interesting field that you would definitely love to be in.
Oh, let me take that. We've been able to, you say you have some presentations for the newbies.
Yeah.
Okay. What of people who are watching or people who are interested, but they are already programmers or developers, but they are not into blockchain already? So what are some of the steps and how do you think blockchain technology is going to be of benefit to them?
So if you're an existing developer in any stack, be it web, mobile, and you're looking at diving into blockchain, yes, blockchain can make your apps or your application platform much more secured in aspect of privacy and making things much more scalable. So if you are an existing developer and you're looking at jumping into a blockchain protocol to say and do your project, all you need to do is research that project you want to work on, get resources, attend professional webinars, take courses online to boost your high your skill set in that particular field, and then just dive right in.
Interesting. I know I love the way you are going straight to the point. I would like maybe on some other ones you expatiate the more so that people could be able to understand. Let me look at. It's not about getting the knowledge. Some people are so much comfortable in other sectors where they are doing development as a programmer and all the rest of them. I know this fear that is a new sector. How do you think are there opportunities for these programmers in the blockchain since you are already in this sector? What are some of the opportunities for programmers?
Yeah, as you said, the blockchain field is still a new sector that one can dive in, and there's always that fear of, oh, why should I come in when this thing is still new? There's no one using it, and in fact, in Nigeria, the cryptocurrency aspect was banned. So why should I come in? And all those fear. The thing is, because it's new, it has a lot of opportunities for you. No matter who you are, no matter what you're doing, there's opportunity for you to come in, get things done. I personally, I was a web developer before I came into the blockchain field, and we know how the web ecosystem is. It's congested already. Like a lot of guys are just web developers, so why should I make use of you? But I entered the blockchain world, and there were opportunities, and I was just seeing different things to do, different gigs to attend to, and from there till this show itself. So the blockchain field, it being new doesn't mean you can't come in, and if you come in, you might be risking a lot. It's not. As a developer or as a business person, if you study blockchain, you see the opportunities that you can come into and be part of.
Do you think, as a developer, I'm in other sectors, I want to be able, what are some of the things that should entice me to be able to come into the blockchain space? People, since they already have this knowledge, and getting new knowledge is not going to be an easy one. Why should I become a blockchain developer?
Aside from you wanting to maybe strengthen the security of your system, funds. I mean, in the blockchain field, there's blockchain and cryptocurrency field. There's this aspect where you have access to more funds, because investors currently see this field as a new field, and they just want to invest, get people more, get people in to do more stuff, build the system. So if you're a developer and you're looking at maybe doing well with that, establishing yourself better, blockchain is a very interesting field you can come into, and you can get support in grants or hackathons for you to complete such project, or optimize an existing project.
Very much. In case you're just joining us, this is OKEx Talks, brought to you by OKEx Cryptocurrency Exchange. Is a program that comes to you every Saturday, 8 p.m. West African time. So today we are talking about blockchain development as a career. So it has really been a very good and beautiful, interesting and insightful discussion with Emmanuel Joseph, popularly known as Jet, who is a blockchain developer. So shortly we go for a break. When we return, at the course of this program, we'll be able to take questions from the audience. So if you have questions that are bothering you, drop it. Emmanuel will be able to attend to them. We're going for a short break. We'll be right back.
CNETv, the first and leading 24/7 live broadcasting blockchain, cryptocurrency, and fintech TV application. On our mobile app, you have access to our latest news updates ranging from esports, fintech, iGaming, blockchain, cryptocurrency, and artificial intelligence. We bring to you interviews, analyses, cryptocurrencies, market reviews, and live events. Download our app today from your iOS or Google Play Store, or on our website at cnetv.io. CNETv, objectivity is our watchword.
Welcome back to the show. It's still OKEx Talks. So we are talking about blockchain development as a career. So I know a lot of people have questions about this particular topic because it has really been coming up, and we know there are not much blockchain developers in Nigeria and also in Africa and the rest of the world. And so I believe there are a lot of opportunities. So Emmanuel, let me ask you these questions. Talking about, you mentioned smart contracts. Is it that if I know how to program or code a smart contract, I'm not a developer. So if I know how to code a smart contract, I'm a developer, a blockchain developer.
Okay, so most time, people maybe regard a smart contract developer as a blockchain developer. It's not actually, because blockchain developers sometimes infrastructure of the blockchain, the protocol it's running on, be it a kind of blockchain system or a proof of stake. Why smart contract developers just write a code that executes some functions that help a decentralized keep things in order. So a smart contract developer is not the same as a blockchain developer. And you being a smart developer means technically means you're a blockchain developer, but a blockchain developer means a smart contract developer. But a smart contract developer doesn't really mean you're a blockchain developer.
Okay, that's very interesting. We know about the way you are explaining blockchain developer and development or their works and everything. It seems as if there are not much difference between blockchain development and other sectors like web development. Would you just tell us what are some of the differences, if there is any, between these two?
Okay, yeah. So there is the normal traditional system, normal way of building web apps. You don't build it on Web3, where you make use of traditional database or say MySQL, PHP and stuff to keep your information and perform some transaction. But when you are building a decentralized application, a blockchain application, you have to ensure some things are in place to bring out that security, bring out that privacy. So sometimes you need to save some things on the blockchain where you say make use of smart contract, or you make use of other protocols that are decentralized to store medias, such as IPFS, instead of using, say, a bucket, like we have the Amazon bucket, we have the Google Cloud bucket. So there's difference in the system, in the architecture of a web based project and a decentralized project.
Okay, that's a very nice one from you. Let me get this. I want to be able to understand what are some of the opportunities. I want to understand the opportunities and seeing very well are there demand for blockchain developers in Nigeria or Africa or the rest of the world? Are there that demand for blockchain developers? Why people should be able to get on board? You know, when they get on board and there's not much demand or work available for them, it's going to cause another problem. So from your experience, do you think there are high demand for blockchain developers where we should be able to get more people involved?
Yes, there are, as I said earlier, the blockchain field is still a new field, and investors have grants. There are grants opened. There are hackathons where you bring in an idea and you get funding for that particular idea. So aside from that, there are different sectors that are actually looking for blockchain developers. We have sectors in fintech, banks, governments, and even startup owners are looking for blockchain developers or engineers to assist either by optimizing current system so as to suit the world trend on blockchain, or building a new system from the scratch in order to ensure things are in place in terms of privacy, in terms of security, and keeping their users much more satisfied.
From your explanation, it looks there are a lot of opportunities when you mention banks, and when you involve many fintech companies adopting blockchain technology, and it seems there are not much blockchain developers. And also, if you look at the crypto and blockchain space entirely, there are not much participation by people into the ecosystem when you compare the participation in other sectors. So you do rightly say that it's a new sector, blockchain is a new sector. So what are some of the things you think should be done to be able to get people more involved, like education and awareness? What are the strategies you think should be done to get people, and how have you been doing that?
Okay, so one of the means to get people informed about this sector is through this. I mean, we have these shows where we tell people about blockchain technology, where we tell people how awesome it is, and different other education platforms do this as well. And I personally, as an ambassador, I create sometimes I have events, I have workshops where I train people how to write smart contract codes, how to develop a decentralized application with my team, of course. And with that, we finished a series recently where we trained over 10 developers that completed a decentralized app. And just as a token to those developers, they earned more than $75 each. And from there, they were able to participate in several hackathons by themselves alone, where one of the developers won $2K dollars just as a reward for the project he built. And the team also did another one and another hackathon, which we got a prize of $2,500, and stuff like that happen in the blockchain system. As I said, there are opportunities for you to come in, build something, and if you need support, you can always look for support and get that support you need to push a project, either as a community member or as a vibrant member in the ecosystem at large.
Okay, thank you very much. This is OKEx Talks. We are talking about blockchain development as a career with Emmanuel, who is talking about. He's a blockchain developer, and we've been having a good discussion. So if you have questions, our audience, if you have questions, please drop them. We'll go for a short break. When we return, Emmanuel will be able to get his presentation ready. I still have a few questions, but it will be okay for him to make the presentation so that our audience could also be able to ask questions from that presentation. So after that presentation, then we'll be able to take questions from our audience. So don't go anywhere, we'll be right back.
Kaka. I'm the founder of InCrypto. I'm a cryptocurrency trader, blockchain consultant, and I'm one of the OKEx partners in Nigeria. I've been using OKEx since 2018. My experience of using OKEx has been fantastic. The platform is safe and secure for traders. The user interface is really clean. There were so many challenges that I was having with other exchanges that are not found in OKEx. OKEx is one of those platforms where you can trade with peace of mind. Take, for example, the trading volume. OKEx trading volume is really legit. Their listing criteria must be really good because you won't find those shit coins, that are just out there to scam you. I would recommend OKEx to other people because of the security of the exchange. OKEx is one of those exchanges that has never been hacked.
CNETv, the first and leading 24/7 live broadcasting blockchain, cryptocurrency and FinTech TV application. On our mobile app, you have access to our latest news updates ranging from esports, fintech, iGaming, blockchain, cryptocurrency and artificial intelligence. We bring to you interviews, analyses, cryptocurrencies, market reviews and live events. Download our app today from your iOS or Google Play Store or on our website at CNETv.io. CNETv, objectivity is our watchword.
Okay, welcome back to the show. It's still OKEx Talks, brought to you by OKEx Cryptocurrency Exchange. So today we're talking about blockchain development as a career with our amazing guest, Emmanuel Joseph Jet. Eternity Equity lead and web developer. So a very beautiful discussion there. And I know our audience are really learning a lot. And right about now, we're going to be having his presentation. He has just a brief presentation. After that, we'll be able to take questions from the audience. So Emmanuel, over to you.
Thank you. So I don't know if I can share my screen to just present what I have. Okay, so hello everyone. I'm speaking on blockchain development as a career in this episode of OKEx Talk. So the most about this session is that OKEx has its blockchain technology designed for traders. So before I proceed, it's proper introduce myself, which Mr. Lee has been doing. I'm Emmanuel Joseph Jet, known on Twitter as Emmanuel Jet _, and Ekiti Embassy lead and ambassador. So starting this session with an overview of what blockchain is for newbies. As I said before, blockchain is regarded as a trust protocol that provides complete transparency, reliability, immutability, and privacy to any system it is being addressed. So most time when blockchain development is here, the first thing that comes to mind sometimes is programming, which is referred to as coding. So, sometimes, yes, we know that's it, but the truth is it's wilder than that, because blockchain is acceptable. So blockchain has in several sectors and career field, and got some of this career field. Number one is blockchain developers itself. So this the individuals or engineers that help companies explore the blockchain platforms because they're in high demand. Blockchain development might be most marketable career path today because people are eager and realizing the benefits of these individuals attend to details at high ranking position. And blockchain developers, programmers who create applications for blockchain basically write C++, Python, JavaScript, and yeah, before becoming a blockchain developer. Another career opportunity is smart contract developers, which are those individuals that write a code that executes some functions in a decentralized application. Another career opportunity is what I call the blockchain project managers. So these are the guys that are equipped with normal skills, but now understand what blockchain is, and they help enforce communication. They address non-technical workers on what blockchain is, and ensure project is proceeding forward the way it should. And another one, UX designer. So blockchain, or as someone wants, blockchain is not compulsory. You must have that coding skill. Just understanding what blockchain is what's paramount. And if you do that, you know that already. As a UX designer, you can write, design some interface that are needed for the application smoothly. And there we have that quality engineer, and this people that ensures all area of the project, if they are working the way it should, if anything is missing, and the maintenance of the itself. So another career opportunity is legal consultant. These are people that ensures, oh, okay, your project, your tech company are the safe when everything good to launch, and yeah. So other opportunities, it's not just these professional fields. There are other roles that can be included. If you're an accountant, a public finance, a marketer, anyone can come in. If there's a company with sorry, if there's a company with a lot of MP stuff. It's only proper for everyone to understand blockchain so as to move the company forward and better. So other aside from career opportunities, blockchain also has to explore. Number one will be grants, as I said at the beginning of this talk. There are investors where they are looking for people just to come in, build more things on blockchain, and they have grant for you to come in and it's done. Other ones are competitions and hackathons, which are similar to grants, and you win prizes and funds to get your projects completed. Other things are employers. I mean, yes, you now have what it takes to be a blockchain developer or be in the blockchain field. So how do you get it? The industries that are looking for skill set, banks, accounting firms, insurance, retailers, and the rest. They are looking for you because in supply chain management, it can be used in the fintech aspect. And yes, so another thing is startups are looking for you. Tech firms are looking for you, and even governments are looking for you to advise them. Okay, the world is moving into crypto. How best can we jump in? How what can you do us that would make the system much more okay? So there's also opportunity in blockchain protocols themselves, which I understand that as an program. I myself, I'm an ambassador. So you can be an ambassador for a blockchain. You preach that particular blockchain. You learn more about the blockchain. You have people to tutor you that you also back to the community, and you would definitely say do all this for free. There are sometimes bounties for you to ensure you are also being taken care of by giving back to the community and sharing the blockchain ecosystem better. So tips to get started. I mean, if you're a newbie and you just want to come in to the blockchain world, how can you do that? So number one is learn the fundamentals of blockchain. Understand the concept of blockchain itself, the cryptography, the consensus mechanism, the networking, the central app. Just learn about the fundamentals of blockchain first before you try to do anything. Then learn about blockchain security. Why exactly is blockchain secured? What makes it secured? Why are people saying this is secured? So once you have that, have hands-on experience to boost your CV, to ensure employers, when they see your document, they know, oh no, this person has been in this field and has been doing amazing. So as a developer, if you are a developer and you want to come into the blockchain, understand data structure, and then just once you have that understanding of data structure and algorithm, you'll be able to do anything and have fundamental programming language skill sets, say C++, Python, JavaScript, Ruby, and yeah. So once you just have those programming skill sets, you should be good to go. Then attend webinars. Those are the key points. Network with people, get to know more about the field, and so participate in events and conferences. And it's still the same thing as webinars. This show itself is an event, so the more you attend this kind of show, you learn more about blockchain itself. Then always take a professional course. Sorry, take a course that would you understand better, that would certify you, that would always prove that you are who you say you are. So I think that's the short presentation from me. So if anyone has any question, this will be the time.
Toju Kaka. I'm the founder of In Crypto. I'm a cryptocurrency trader, blockchain consultant, and I'm one of the OKEx partners in Nigeria. I've been using OKEx since 2018. My experience of using OKEx has been fantastic. The platform is safe and secure for traders. The user interface is really clean. There were so many challenges that I was having with other exchanges that are not found in OKEx. OKEx is one of those platforms where you can trade with peace of mind. Take for example the trading volume. OKEx trading volume is really legit. Their listing criteria must be really good because you won't find those shit coins, that are just out there to scam you. I would recommend OKEx to other people because of the security of the exchange. OKEx is one of those exchanges that has never been hacked.
Welcome back. It's still OKEx Talk Show, brought to you by OKEx Cryptocurrency Exchange. That was a very nice and insightful presentation there by Emmanuel Joseph. It was a very insightful one, I must say. So right about now, we are going to be taking questions from our audience. So our audience are asking questions and they want to know more. So let me look at some of the questions that I have here. Someone is asking what and what. It's a John is asking what and what do I need to learn when thinking about being a developer. So this person is a general, maybe being a general developer. But what do you have to say about that?
Okay, so if you are into web development, you should understand the fundamentals of web development itself. You should be someone who is proficient in, say, JavaScript, and able to write some JavaScript framework like React or Vue. So once you have that basic understanding of the web and the fundamentals, you should be good to go with blockchain development. Because what you need to do, you're starting contract with most of smart contracts I've seen so far are object. So once you have JavaScript knowledge or Python knowledge, you are good to go.
Knowledge, you're good to go. So another person is asking, how can one apply blockchain development or blockchain tech in agriculture, especially in Nigeria? What do you have to say about that?
Okay, so agric. Say, okay, this is a apply it, at least to me as a developer. Let's say you have crop, you have something here, and you know maybe temperature is going to affect crop or something, and you are not sure that can happen. So you can actually have this interfacing with an oracle, a temperature oracle that always tells you, oh, this is going to happen in the nearest future. See, in 3 weeks time, this can happen. So from there, prevent your crop, or you can even save your crop, the count, and let's just say the statistics of your farm or your plant. You can have them stored somewhere on the blockchain to you always keep track of what is going on.
Yeah, that's right. I know there was a time a particular country used blockchain technology to transport some of their agricultural produce to other nations. So it helps to keep track, like you rightly said. It's a very good one when it comes to logistics. I also learned that you can even trace the origin of such agricultural produce, how it was the source of the seed, how it was planted, and all those processes that are involved in before the final product. So that's a very nice one. I have one question here before we jump to the next segment. So let's look at you. I saw I read about you briefly, and I saw you were a graduate of computer science, and I don't think blockchain is being taught in the universities, and also when it comes to this. So how do you think the academic sector or higher institutions will be able to play a role in getting involved? What's your take around that in getting people to understand about blockchain? We see there are some universities, higher institutions outside Nigeria who are looking towards that direction, implementing blockchain technology. I know of an institution in India who are about to adopt blockchain education, like teaching people blockchain in their university. What do you think should be done around that in Nigeria and other parts of Africa?
Thank you, Mr. Lee. And as you said, as in an institution in India is trying to adopt blockchain curriculum in their study, say, urge Nigerian university and other parts to follow that suit too, because even if we're not starting from say the blockchain itself, we can start from cryptography, encryption, and decryption to understand, okay, what is powering blockchain, what is making blockchain secured. From there, we can then move into other sectors where graduates of computer science or other field can know more about blockchain and start working on blockchain right from their university day, college days.
Very interesting. Thank you very much, Emmanuel, for that amazing definitions and discussions. I have this program is OKEx Talks and it's brought to you by OKEx Cryptocurrency Exchange, and they have a message for our audience, for everyone, a very good one, good news from OKEx Super Affiliate Program. So they are running an affiliate program. You ask for it. That was they say. People have been asking for the affiliate program. Now you have it. So this is what they are doing. It's OKEx Super Affiliate Program designed to help you earn more. So this is a way of helping people to earn more in this ecosystem. OKEx is proud to announce its Super Affiliate Program to influencers in Africa. So this is a very good one for Africans, people who are in Africa. So to influencers in Africa, the program is designed to increase OKEx brand awareness in Africa. As an OKEx partner, you can create unique referral link that invites your target audience to sign up and trade, have a stable passive income stream, and monthly special bonuses to introduce more users to OKEx. So this way, if you're interested to be a partner, you're going to be able to have a special link for you where you'll be able to earn passive income. You don't have to do anything, just invite people to join OKEx. So this is a very special one. It's a special one. It's not ordinary one. So you'll be able to earn passive income, monthly special bonuses to introduce more users to OKEx. So now tell me if this is not something awesome. It's so much awesome. It's an awesome one, a way of getting people to earn through this. When you invite people, when you educate people, enlighten them about cryptocurrency, how to trade, you could be able to bring them on board, and that way they will be able to be giving you. If you check the screen, you see that they are offering 60% lifetime affiliate commissions. That's amazing, 60%. So anyone you bring on board will be able to, you'll be getting 60% affiliate commission. So, so if you have questions, what are the advantages of the Super Affiliate Program? Rules required to join the Super Affiliate Programs? How can I become a member of the Super Affiliate Program? All your answers are more. They have a number. That number is on the screen there. You'll be able to reach out to them. There is also a link. Later we'll drop the link, but for now you can reach out to this number. That number will be able to, when you reach out to that number, they will be able to take you to the next step. They'll give you the form and also to open that special referral account. This is an amazing message, an amazing one from OKEx Cryptocurrency Exchange. Thank you very much. I really appreciate this. I don't think we're going to be taking more questions. So thank you very much. Let me hear from you, Emmanuel Joseph. What was your final take on this? What's your last closing remarks?
So thank you again, Mr. Lee. So before I go, blockchain is the biggest opportunity set, we can think of this decade or so. I'm not the one that said this. This was a quote from Bro Griffith, the chief executive officer of NASDAQ. So it's not just we and this talk show that sees the opportunity in blockchain. Big personality entity also make use of blockchain to do awesome stuff. So I'll just what I'm going to all just to zoom in as the next big thing and jump right in when we can.
Jump right in when you can. It's a very good journey when you get involved in the blockchain and crypto space. A very good one. You really enjoy it. It may not look that's good, most especially when you are starting. It looks a bit rough, but once you'll be able to overcome the storms, you'll be able to thrive very well. Thank you very much. I also appreciate OKEx Cryptocurrency Exchange for putting this together. They are bringing this affiliate program, special affiliate program, and I believe as time goes on, more and more they will be bringing. So we look forward to that. Thank you very much for joining us today. Manuel Joseph, popularly known as Jet, Eternity Ekiti lead and blockchain developer, a web developer. So that's a very nice one, having this nice discussion with you. And also special thanks to our host, Mr. Paul Ezafuluke, who is OKEx team lead in Nigeria. I also appreciate our audience who took our time to joining us today on this discussion. So where we discuss blockchain development as a career, and so much excited. Even me, the anchor, I've been able to learn a lot of things, even though I'm not a blockchain developer or a web developer. And that's an amazing session. So you can follow OKEx on social media. You can follow them on their Twitter, OKEx Africa, to be able to be getting everything that is happening about OKEx. So be able to follow them to stay updated on Twitter at OKEx Africa, Telegram at OKEx Africa. Thank you very much. We look forward to having our next guest next week. So this show will be coming your way again next week, Saturday, 8 p.m. West African time. That is what it is. We'll be here again. I remain your host, I remain your anchor for this show, Lee Uchomo Heri. Bye for now.
Kaka. I'm the founder of In Crypto. I'm a cryptocurrency trader, blockchain consultant, and I'm one of the OKEx partners in Nigeria. I've been using OKEx since 2018. My experience of using OKEx has been fantastic. The platform is safe and secure for traders. The user interface is really clean. There were so many challenges that I was having with other exchanges that are not found in OKEx. OKEx is one of those platforms where you can trade with peace of mind. Take, for example, the trading volume. OKEx trading volume is really legit. Their listing criteria must be really good because you won't find those shit coins, that are just out there to scam you. I would recommend OKEx to other people because of the security of the exchange. OKEx is one of those exchanges that has never been hacked.
CNETv, the first and leading 24/7 live broadcasting blockchain, cryptocurrency and FINTECH TV application. On our mobile app, you have access to our latest news updates ranging from esports, fintech, iGaming, blockchain, cryptocurrency and artificial intelligence. We bring to you interviews, analyses, cryptocurrencies, market reviews and live events. Download our app today from your iOS or Google Play Store or on our website at cnetv.io. CNETv, objectivity is our watchword.